Hey everybody, I wanted to create a short video to show you some of the enhancements I've made to the shipper driven traffic simulator, as well as the virtual track scale I've created to use in my operations. So first let's look at the operations tab. I've added statistics for each step to see if there are cars or orders that are pending, something to do so you can get a nice snapshot. In this case, we're going to be focusing on the track scale where there are 10 cars to weigh. There are more cars at the scale, but we are going to be focused on the ones that are in process to get shipped. So before we get started, we have to calibrate the scale. I just want to show you briefly all the cars on YM1 that they're loaded. They have coke and they're destined to get unloaded at the scale. We don't really unload them, but it's part of the routing. And then here we can see the car orders that they're currently part of the shipment of coke weigh 002. And here we go. So to calibrate it the first time, since it's out of service, or if it hasn't been calibrated in 5 sessions, we need to come here and weigh the car, the scale car, at 3 different points on the scale, and we see that it needs to be adjusted to reach our target. So we will adjust it at each point, and when we've gotten it to 0, we will be able to use the scale. So we're just about there, and we can save that. And also, the more sessions between the time that it goes out of service and the time that we recalibrate, the more inaccurate the scale will be, and the more invalid car orders we'll have. So we want to keep this finely tuned. We will now bring the train over with the hopper cars and weigh them. So the first car is within tolerance, but we have no orders available to ship it, so this could be created in advance, or we can create it on the fly. Let's get a few orders created to make the demo go faster. We'll send the first car out to Daimler, where it will go to Braddock. We will see that the next car is outside of tolerance and we'll need to make a reload order. That one I'll just do on the fly, and we'll go through all the train, weighing and assigning, or creating a new order to assign it to. Hopefully this will be easy for my operators. And once we've finished the train, we'll have no more to assign, and we can come here and refresh this report, and we'll see that now some are headed to Daimler, some are headed to East Yard, some are headed to Scully Yard to go to their final destinations. If we look here at the car orders, we'll see that the weigh orders are gone because they've been filled and completed. And now we are waiting with two orders that didn't get filled. So those will have to get filled next time after these get reloaded. And that will conclude this demo. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions or any feedback, let me know. Thanks for staying tuned.